Security and Audit Trail. Security is about more than protecting your cameras. It's about protecting your entire video management system. NX Witness is built with enterprise-grade security, giving administrators complete control over who can access the system and what they're allowed to do. Permissions can be tailored for every user, from live viewing and playback through to PTZ control, exporting footage, and even full system administration. But one of the most powerful security features is the Audit Trail. Every significant action is automatically recorded, from user logins and configuration changes to camera additions, permission updates, and video exports. Need to know who made a change, when it happened, or simply what was modified? Simply filter the Audit Trail to quickly find the information you need. This provides complete accountability across your security system, making investigations, compliance, and troubleshooting faster than ever before. With enterprise-grade security, granular permissions, and a comprehensive audit trail, NX Witness is secure by design. To learn more about NX Witness solutions, speak to myself or your Videcon account representative today. Thank you.